We used to be just like most people, stuck in the 9-5 grind, living paycheck to paycheck, thinking if we just worked harder, things would magically get better.
Yeah, and every month, we'd play the "which bill do we delay this time" game. Super fun.
And don't even get me started on the financial advice we were following. Save every penny, cut out the small luxuries, and eventually, maybe, we'd be able to retire in like 100 years.
I still remember when we thought skipping takeout was the key to financial freedom.
Yeah, turns out, Starbucks wasn't the reason we were broke. Who knew? So one day I hit my breaking point. I realized that if I didn't change something, we'd be stuck in that cycle forever. So I dove headfirst into learning everything I could about money, passive income, and financial freedom.
And trust me, when Nathan dives into something, it's like a full-time obsession. Books, courses, late-night YouTube rabbit holes. At one point, I thought he was trying to hack the stock market or something.
Some people binge Netflix. I binge financial literacy.
Except no one at parties wants to hear you talk about tax loopholes, babe.
Which is why I don't go to parties. The first few attempts at making money online, let's just say, it wasn't pretty.
Yeah, I walked in one day and he was watching some dude in a rented Lambo talking about how easy it is to make $1 million overnight.
In my defense, I was desperate.
But not desperate enough to actually buy the course, thankfully.
Exactly. Instead, I spent years figuring out what actually works. No shortcuts, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real, proven ways to escape the 9-to-5 and build wealth. This channel is for the ones who feel stuck, the ones who know they're meant for more but don't know where to start. We're here to show you how to break free, build wealth, and take control of your life.
Because if we could do it, starting from zero, watching every free resource we could find, so can you.
No fluff, no BS, just real strategies that actually work.
And maybe a few laughs along the way, because let's be honest, finance can be dry as hell.
True, but money problems aren't funny. And if you're ready to fix yours, you're in the right place.
Make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot to share, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.